Hi, Semaj.
Hi.
So we have here vending machines.
Wow.
Okay, so we're gonna need quarters. These are 50 cents. And this one has the Rubik's Cube, fidget spinners.
Nice.
What are these? These are stickers and Pikachu cards. These are 25 cents. Pokemon.
Thank you.
Alright, Maja, you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Semaj's Fun Adventures. This is all the toys we got from the vending machine.
Today.
Yeah. Okay, so we have a total of 15 toys that we need to open up, and we got 2 little ones. Are you excited, Semaj?
Yeah.
All right. So let's
I like pink honey.
Okay, so this is a $ fidget spinner. Let's take a look. Oh, look at that. That's so cool.
I want to try.
Okay, hold on, Semaj. So this is probably 2 times smaller than
look.
a...
It's actually the same.
Yeah, it's the same, Semaj. Okay, so let's put that right here. Yeah, this is half the size of a regular fidget spinner. And it's a $. Cool. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at another one.
That's awesome.
Okay, let's take a look at this one.
Look. Oh, wow. That's awesome.
Oh, look at this, Semaj.
Uh-oh.
This is Wonder Woman. That's cool.
I want that one. What's this? Oh, wait a minute. Look.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one.
Uh-oh. The pizza's smoking. Look.
Yeah, so this is another fidget spinner. And this one is a $, and it's green. This time it's green. Semaj has the purple one. It works. Ooh, that's cool. Whoa. Okay. So let's take a look at this one. Oh, look, guys. This is... I know who this is.
Wow.
I know who this is, but I just don't remember the name. Okay, YouTube friends, so I need your help. Who is this? Leave your answers on the comment section below. Thank you so much. Who is this? Who is this? Okay, let's take a look at another one. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so this is another fidget spinner. Okay. Alright, so this is all purple fidget spinner. And it works.
Me too.
Cool. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Oh, it's the same one. Alright. Okay, so we have 2 of these now. I still don't remember the name. Yeah, we have 2 of these guys that are alike, and I still don't remember the name. So our friends on YouTube, we'd appreciate it if you guys let me know who this is on the comment section. Who is this? Oh, I still can't remember. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up another toy.
It's cold.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so most of these mostly we got fidget spinners. Okay, so this one. Alright, so this one came apart. Alright, so let's put it back together. Okay. Alright, there you go. See, it works? Yeah, it works. This is a blue mini fidget spinner. How many fidget spinners do we have so far, Semaj?
4.
Yeah, that's right. So far we've opened up 4 fidget spinners.
I did it. Look.
4 fidget spinners. 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 4 fidget spinn Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at another one. Let's take a look. Okay, so this is another fidget spinner. Another mini fidget spinner. Alright. Okay, so this one, this one doesn't really spin that. Alright, we gotta fix it. Maybe adjust it here. It doesn't really spin. Hold on, Semaj, wait. Okay, there you go. Alright, maybe we can. So this is a neon orange.
Okay.
Maybe kind of adjust it. Okay, well, it spins a little bit. There you go.
Let's see.
Here.
Let's see.
Okay, so this is another fidget spinner, another mini fidget spinner. This one is shaped like a flower. Let's take a look if it spins okay. Alright, there you go. That's cool. Mini fidget spinners.
Whoa.
Okay, here you go, Semaj. Okay, so here is another fidget spinner.
Whoa.
So this one is yellow. Okay, and it spins fine. There you go. Cool. So most of these. Alright, here you go, Semaj. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at this one.
Whoa. That's awesome.
Oh, look at this one. This is a jet plane, and it looks like it's a robot. There's the face. Let's see. Okay, there you go. All right. Transformer. A transformer. Let's see. All right. So there you go. There you go. Get the transform back. Oh, okay. And the wings fold too. Pretty cool. Okay. Oh, and here's the arms, I think. Let me see. Okay, there you go.
Here, have the two.
Yeah. Okay, so there's the arms. Transforms like that. Just goes up and down. Oh, this is pretty cool, Semaj. You got yourself a little transformer. Okay. All right, so we have 4 left. All right, so let's take a look at. This is the last fidget spinner that we got. We got a lot of fidget spinners, Semaj. Okay, here you go. And this is a hot pink. Okay.
Did this roll?
Yeah, it doesn't spin as quick as the other. So we probably got 2. Well, but it still spins.
Wow.
There you go, Semaj. Alright, so let's take a look at this one. Who's this guy? Looks like the Joker. I'm not sure. Yep, it's the Joker. Cool fidget spinners, guys. Woohoo! Okay. Alright, so let's take a look at the last 2 small ones. Alright, let's take a look at this one. Okay, guys, so this is the one for a quarter, 25 cents. Let's take a look. Oh, what is this? Oh, okay, it's a shell. It's like a clam. There's the little eyes. Alright, okay. Okay, so let's take a look at the last toy. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and take a look. And, okay, so what does this look like? It looks like a seahorse. Okay. So it's a little squishy seahorse.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a pencil where you can put your pencil in here or pen. Oh, I got a little bit dirty.
It got pencil too.
Alright, so that's cute. Alright.
The squishy.
Okay, so that's the last of the toy surprise. Okay, friends, so mostly we got these mini fidget spinners. We got about 7 of them. The little jet plane transformer. A little Joker. Wonder Woman. And these, a seashell. and one pink seahorse.
Like, comment, subscribe.